Okay, this video is to help with number 9 from the Matrices homework. We have to solve for each variable. So what I'm going to do is just look and say, okay, if these two matrices have to be equal, each corresponding entry has to be equal. So basically I would need an 11 right here to match the 11 up here. So that allows us to basically say, I can use 4b plus 2 has to be 11, and then just solve that. So minus 2, and then divide by 4, so b is 2.25. Again, you can kind of test it if you want, but if you put 2.25 here, we'll get an 11 up there. Right, and then just continue to work. So here's D, and that's in the upper right-hand corner, so 4 times D has to be a 0, which means D would have to be 0, divide by 4. All right, and then negative 4a corresponds with that one, so negative 4 times a has to equal negative 8. Divide by negative 4a would be 2. All right, so we can get another color here, and so that's a. What am I missing? Oh, C. So here's C. So that one lines up with negative 3. So 2C minus 1 has to be negative 3. So add 1, divide by 2. So C looks like negative 1. All right, what am I missing still here? So this one, F, that lines up with 0. So 2F minus 1 has to be 0. So add 1, divide by 2. So F is 1/2. Okay, and then I think the only one I'm missing is G, maybe. So I'm kind of out of colors here. See if I can find one more color. So this one lines up with negative 14. So 3G minus 2 has to be negative 14. So add 2 to get negative 12. Negative 14 plus 2, and then divide by 3. So G is negative 4. And I think I got them all. Sorry if I missed one, but that should be all of the values we need. All right, and again, those are the numbers that make the two matrices equal. The corresponding entries have to be equal if the matrices are equal. Thanks for watching.